Not all repairs are created equal. One of the biggest questions homeowners ask when they're about to sell is what should I fix and what's just a waste of money? The purpose of making repairs before you sell is to either save you cash or boost your selling price. But before you pour thousands of dollars into renovations, watch this video to see if the fix you're considering is a smart move or if you're better off skipping it. Hey everyone, if you're new here, my name is Khushnaz and I'm a realtor here in Toronto. If you'd like to chat more in detail, you can book a free call with me at the link below. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 6 things you should not fix when prepping your home for sale. And stick around till the end because I'll also share 2 low-cost ways to make your home shine on the market. Let's dive in. Okay, let's start with the big one, major remodels. Should you completely gut your kitchen or bathroom just to sell? Probably not. Full remodels are great if you're planning to stay and enjoy the upgrades yourself, but they're not really the best investment if you're doing it solely for a potential buyer. The reality is buyers might have totally different tastes, so your new marble countertops or your trendy tiles might not even match their vision. Instead, think small improvements or a facelift. For the kitchen, a fresh coat of paint on the cabinets, new hardware, updated faucets can make a huge difference. For bathrooms, consider a deep clean, new fixtures, and maybe again a fresh coat of paint. If the tub or shower looks worn out, glazing can give it a brand new look without the expense of a full replacement. These tweaks keep costs down while still making the space feel updated. Okay, next up is the driveway and walkway. I get it, cracks can be an eyesore, but unless the damage is severe or poses a safety risk, it's usually not worth the high cost of repairs. Natural settling is common and most buyers won't expect a perfectly smooth driveway in any case. Focus on cleaning up the area, maybe adding some potted plants. You'll get that curb appeal without the hefty bill. And don't underestimate the power of a good pressure wash. It's amazing what a clean driveway and front walkway can do for a first impression. Next, let's talk about the roof. If your roof has a leak, by all means get it fixed. But if it's just getting older, don't rush into a full replacement. Buyers know that roofs age over time and they might even prefer to negotiate a credit towards a new roof instead of seeing a brand new one. So if it's not actively leaking, have it inspected, make minor repairs, and save yourself a big expense. We all know that curb appeal matters, but does that mean you need to get a full backyard overhaul? Not at all. A lush green garden with custom stone pathways, water features, or an outdoor fire pit sure sounds enticing, but it can quickly become a money pit, especially if you're not going to stick around to enjoy it. Instead, focus on the simple maintenance like trimming your hedges, mowing your lawn, and getting some new plants to add that pop of color. Number 5 is doors and window replacements. Replacing all the doors and windows in your home can get really pricey. And the truth is, most buyers won't put a lot of weight on having brand new doors unless they're severely outdated or broken. If necessary, a quick paint job and new hardware can give them that refreshed look without the big spend. And when it comes to windows, if they're still functional, even if they're not brand new, buyers won't be too picky. Just make sure that they're clean and working well. In all my experience, I have never had buyers put doors and windows on their list of non-negotiables. Okay, last but not least, and a very common mistake, over improving your home. I know it's tempting to go all out and make your house the best one on the block, but upgrades beyond what's standard in your neighborhood won't pay off. For instance, if all the homes around you have laminate countertops, don't go all out with expensive Italian marble. Or maybe you're tempted to swap out your current floors for imported hardwood, which costs a fortune per square foot, but all of the other homes nearby are using luxury vinyl or just laminate. While these upgrades might look fantastic and were your dream updates, buyers are most likely not going to be willing to pay the premium price tag that they come with. Keep it simple and in line with the area. This will help you save money and avoid pricing yourself out of that market. Now let's quickly discuss where to invest wisely. First up, we have paint. I know you've heard it a million times, but there's good reason for it. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders. It brightens up your space and gives your home a clean, updated look. Stick with light neutral tones like soft grays or creamy whites to really appeal to the widest range of buyers. And second, declutter and deep clean. Again, this goes a long way with buyers and can really change the way your home looks and feels when they walk in the door. So there you have it, what's worth fixing before you sell and what repairs can be skipped. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss videos just like this. And remember, if you have any questions or want to chat more about selling your home, feel free to book a call with me using the Calendly link below. Thanks again for watching Property Ladder, and I'll see you guys in the next video.